Alright, you're up.
Alright. What's cracking, baby?
It's good.
What? Okay. What's good, baby?
Nice.
We got an unboxing specialist here. Oh, we got a box of goodies. James, thank you, buddy. Let's see what we got here. Oh, snap. Oh, you bought this? Well, it's good. Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about. That's good. It's good. Let's see what else we got here. Got some fork oil. Hell yeah. Seals. A knife. A knife. What the hell we got here? No way. No way. Dude. Oh, you know what we're going to do? We're going to clean stuff. I don't know what we're going to clean. Oh, you're kidding me. Yeah, it's an ultrasonic cleaner, though. It uses sonic waves to clean.
Serious?
Yeah. I had one of these for jewelry.
What do you do?
Yeah, just put shit in there and it cleans it.
Anything.
Anything. Like, oh man.
The levers.
We could take the levers off, put them in there. We could put the pegs in there.
New?
They'll come out looking brand new. It's non-abrasive, non-chemical. Oh man, that'll be nice. We put the chain in there.
Yeah, right.
We could. I wouldn't use it, but no, it can be anything. All you got, there's 2 manuals. You can just throw those in there.
Yeah?
Well, you got to put some water in there.
You have to put water in there?
Yeah, that's what I had to do on mine. Specific instructions, heater capacity. Oh, it says open cover, place items into the cleaning container, then fill with water. The water should cover the item, but not exceed the ruling mark. So I'm gonna say that's the ruling mark. Wait, no, that's the shadow. That. So you just gotta cover the stuff with the water. Running without water can damage the unit. Close the cover, plug in the outlet. Running without water can damage. A little more. More. Keep going. Not yet. I'll tell you when. Okay. Yeah, shaking it with 2 hands. Yep, gotta cover it. Jewelry's in there. We're gonna cook it.
Turn it on?
Set the right knob to the set time.
I turn it on?
Yeah. And then Celsius actual. So this is over here. Yeah, okay.
Wait.
Let me just wait.
Alright, serious business unboxing. I don't know what's in it.
What's in the box?
I bet tires are in here. Some fresh rubber. You know it. Much needed. Not the best tires, but they'll do. Holy crap, that's a wheel. That's a wheel. We got brake pads. We got a chain. What's that? You know it's gold. Yeah, gold makes bikes more expensive. What is that? Oh.
Brake fluid.
Nice. We have here, all balls racing, fork seals and dust seals. Is that it? Yeah, pop these for... So this is our trash box today. Shoot, we could paint in this. It's a good paint box, huh? We could hook up the pipe. Well, do I need this? So what do you want to do first? The homeboy with the tank isn't coming this weekend now. We could hook up the new tank and see how it runs.
Oh, hook up that tank? Yeah, we can do that.
The old tank. Put on the new chain. Well, we can't put on the new chain yet. The wheels, I didn't buy it. Let's see. So here's what we're working with in terms of these parts. These are the, I think this is the crush washers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, leave them in there. Yep. Crush, 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 crush. This is the everything but the circlip.
That doesn't work.
So what? Oh yeah, we can do that easy. Start it. Yeah. Alright, we should probably organize all the parts, organize all the tools, and then get going on it. So we're straight up dumping the headers in there to see if they get cleaned. You can go higher. You can go full blast. Alright, turn it off. Wait, you keep going. Alright, you're good. Oh my god. Immediately. Is there a higher frequency? This is max. Can they fit in sideways?
We gotta cut the cover over.
Oh, they can. Alright, good luck, pipes. How long? 30 minutes? Alright. That should be interesting. Alright, so what do we want to do? Yeah? You want to do it to it? Want to try it? We have to put on the pipe.
Yeah, we have to put on the pipe. We can bolt that down and then cut the chain off.
And see how it runs? I say we paint this. Yeah. Want to do that right now? We're doing it purple?
You want to do it purple?
Yeah. Do we need to put the nail in it again?
Well, I think we're going to do something a little different.
Alright, so we're gonna do the first things first. We're gonna install these springs on the kickstand. Look at the headers just going ham in here. Look at this thing. Shout out James, Rancho Cucamonga. Look at that. It's working, it's ultrasonic, you know it. It's better than anything else. Rancho Cucamonga. If you guys want to send more tools over here, more than welcome to. Might as well drop the address. I'm here for another month. I got security cameras if you guys want to come and rob the place and meet my if you guys want to ship anything, there's the address. 6660 South Craycroft Road, Tucson, AZ 85756. Send them by. I gave my address away. I'm here for 2 more weeks. It's completed. This water's disgusting now. So should we clean the water out and do it again? What do you think? I'm thinking hell yeah. What do you mean? What? You mean it works?
It works. And kick that puppy up.
Does it clog the oh, it does. Oh, very well. It needs WD.
We bent that finger.
Well done. I'm impressed. This actually held up. Just constant.
Really nasty.
How?
Flanges look good.
What?
Those look really good.
The headers? You think?
You look at them good.
I think we got to keep hitting it.
All that rust has gone off of them.
Really?
And
Wait, what is this say? It says actual. Oh. Max temp is 80 Celsius. Isn't that a lot?
we'd want to do it like this, I think.
Fill it up. Can we fill it all the way up?
I say why not.
I say why not?
We're no amateurs here. We're good at.
Yeah. I do want to start working on the frame. So do we want to remove like these brake cables? Can we put the brake cables in there? Should we even remove these then? What?
I would just leave them
Yeah.
out of the way.
Alright, round 2. Don't go full throttle. Go like 9/10.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright. Alright.
Let's cook hot dogs in there.
Could you?
Try it.
I think you can. I got a lot of hot dogs.
That's a lot.
Do we need the gas cap on?
I got the seal in there, so all we gotta do is put the bolts in, bolt that down.
Let's wait on this.
Probably.
We can paint it and hang it off this bike. Not really. They'll fall over maybe. Yeah? Alright. I thought you were going to use a hook. What do you mean paint a little further? Do we want to... So do we need... So we're going to get the guy at the fabrication shop to throw something together for this? We don't just want to send him this? Then he's not guessing bolt holes.
Right.
This had the grommets in it, right?
Yeah, boss.
For what? Just how it mounted into the fairing? Had like rubber grommets right here. So we paint it, then send it to him?
You want to paint it to him, send it to him, or you want to send it?
Paint it, mount the speedo, mount the lights, then send it to him. Yeah. Right?
How are we going to mount the speedo?
How it normally mounts.
Oh.
Wait, how did it mount?
That mount
So we'll see if he can't just do a sheet on the inside here, up, and then we can mount the speedo on that.
for that.
We'll send him the speedo with it.
Yeah.
Okay, easy enough. And we were gonna mount the lights right here, right?
We could set.
And then work around that, and the little foil right here.
Yep.
All right. So we want to paint it though, right?
Do we want to paint it before you send it?
Yeah.
All right.
Right? Because then he could mount everything, and then we could just attach stuff.
We can do that.
He can send us the full face.
And get it all full.
And like obviously we'd want this whole area open. We could. Do we have the OG mirrors? Yeah. Dude, I found a house yesterday that is spectacular.
Where at? Apache?
It's like 50 miles north of the side of Phoenix. Dude, 3-car garage with a guest bedroom in there, separated from the house.
Oh shit.
And another guest house.
So
3 houses. 2.5 acres. Dope as hell. Okay.
That's not bad price.
Not at all.
3 houses?
Yeah, right. Alright, so this, and then the front brake, and then the wheels. We could demount the tire. Why? I know how to get it demounted. I can take the tire off. The tire? And cut it off? Should I just cut it? I can do that. Alright.
It'd be good video. Cutting the tire off the rim.